Lami kayo please kanong waffles, chocolate, kanang na cheese, and then please kana yung chocolate kay yummy kayo.
No, please, Chris, no. Listen to me, no. That is unhealthy, no. No.
Chocolate Belgian, please. No, waffle is very yummy. Please, chocolate Belgian. No. Chocolate Belgian waffle.
May ko, pero dapat kinahanglan ko mag-drink of water after. Dayon, mag-take of walk para mabalance ako ang health.
Yes, waffles. Kana yung chocolate, please. Waffles, yes.
Okay, masugot ko. Basta magwa ka later, na mo drink ka og dagan na water.
Yes.
Okay, mupalit ko, pero dili na ako kalimtan mo palit og tubig and maglakaw.